Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage what information you allow people on Twitter to see by turning on the protect your tweets function. Your tweets will be visible only to your followers, and you can also turn on the photo tagging function. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option, and click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on this button in the upper left corner. Tap on privacy and safety. Click on audience and tagging. As you can see, there are two options, such as the protect your tweets function, meaning that only show your tweets to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve each new follower. So tap on this button to turn it on. And you can also turn on the photo tagging function, meaning that people will be able to tag you in photos and you will be notified when they do. Here you can select two further options, such as anyone can tag you or only people who follow can tag you. If you are done with selecting these features, tap on the button down in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby saving all these information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.